Hi, I am Lily with the Computer Guys of LA, and just really briefly, I want to talk about the difference between OneDrive and SharePoint when it comes to Microsoft Office, because we have gotten some queries about understanding how they work. And the most basic way to explain is that OneDrive is more of a personal filing system for all your documents, and you can share them with teams, uh, with others in your organization. So if you have a document that you need to give access to somebody else to do edits, you could do that, but predominantly OneDrive for you as the user resides on your workstation. The difference between that and the SharePoint allows for more collaboration within the organization. So if you are working, let's say, on a project that requires multiple people's insights, it would be best to use a SharePoint to keep a document there, because everybody in the organization, whoever is assigned to the document with permissions, will be able to just go and do those edits and add whatever they need to add. Where in OneDrive, you would have to allow for permissions to happen, and it's more of a two-way street. With the SharePoint, it's more of the conference room and everybody's in there. So if you were to see the visual of it, that's an easier way to picture what they're for. One thing we've noticed is that a lot of businesses are using or trying to use OneDrive as if it's SharePoint, and I believe that's because they don't know there is SharePoint that exists. So if you are looking for a more collaborative way to utilize some of these applications, OneDrive is more for smaller tasks, smaller projects, two people or three, and SharePoint is more for larger projects that involves multiple inputs at the same time. This is the cubicle work, and this is more of a conference work. It allows more people in there, so think of it that way. Hope that helps.